What's gonna YouTubers, it's your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this camera passing through text transition effect in Adobe After Effects. I have to create this composition first. Let me rename it this composition. For this duration, let me give it like 40 seconds, yes. And this composition name, I can call it as main composition. So, and I'm going to add my video clip. Yes, I have three videos. So let me drag this first one here. This is my first one. Yeah, how my first one is. Yes, it is camera flying. Yes, it is drone shot. Yes, okay. You see how it is. Yeah, okay. Even other one is this also drone shot. So I try to find the clip which is gonna be the same, okay, which have the same move, same direction. Yes, something like that, right? So, and then I'm going to search the effect which is called 3D camera tracker. So for this camera tracker, you have to move it here on this layer, and then you have to wait just few little bit. You see my camera tracker, it is analyzing all my frames, okay, my clip. You see, yeah, you see guys, I have already got some tracking point, you see. So, and I'm going to use for this tracking point for adding my text, and then that text will be fixed. Choose the point which what kind of the point can I use. Yeah, this is the best one. Right click on it and then create text and camera. Guys, you see I have received some text here. So let me open up this text layer, and I'm going to use this X, Y, and Z rotation. You see, okay, let me try to move up, yeah, all to wake up my text, guys, okay. Yeah, something like this. You have to use this extra rotation. Yeah, okay, this extra rotation, and then for this Z rotation, yes, this is how it is. Yeah, and this Y too. Let me try to use this stuff, okay, something like this. Yeah, this is much better, and you have to try to fix it well, your text where your text you want to be, okay. When you play, guys, your video, you see the text is already attached on that point that you have been choose, okay. So here I will try to increase my text, you see, because I want my camera to fly through on it, on that text, okay. So is that reason why you have to put well where your camera will be passing through on this text, okay. Yeah, for here you can choose any text you want, okay. So let me try to use this X, yeah, that X, because my camera will pass through on my, yes, on my X. You see how my camera it is coming. Yes, it's gonna be, let me try to zoom out, to zoom in a few little bit. Yes, you see my camera it is coming, come closer to my X, okay. So here I will move front just a few little bit, yes, something like this, and let me try to move forward, and you have to rotate like this. So first let me try to text the word which I want, and I have to change the font of my text. Yeah, this is much, yes, much better. Yeah, it is too big. Yeah, you see how my camera it is flying through on this E. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, you see how my camera it is moving, and yeah, this is much better, guys, this is much better. And then the things I'm going to do, you see it is fitting my camera, it is attached, or it is flying through in this text. Yes, this is nice, this is what I want. And I'm going to add the second clip. Yes, this video too. Let me move down here. Okay, right click here, then go ahead and pre-compose. Move all attribute into the view composition, and you have to rename it this composition name or this layer name. It is v2. Yes, that's nice. And then they have to move behind here, something like this, and they have to find where my camera is fitting it well on my text. Yes, okay, yeah, this one. Let me move this blue line here. So let me try to move down under of this text, you see, and I have to link this v2 with this text by using this TrackMate, not Parent Link. You have to use this TrackMate. Okay, so guys, when you play, you see how my image is already attached on my text, you see. Okay, so now when the camera is flying through on it, it will be also entering on another clip. Yes, yeah, this is nice. And then the things which I'm going to do, it is that, so you have to click here on this text. Let me try to increase just a few little bit. You have to click here on this text and then come back here on edit, and then go here on split layer. Okay, already guys, I have been cutting my this text layer. So this is the second clip. So, and I have to link with this text, you see guys. For this, for the first one, for when you are linking, you see, first you have to link after cutting your text. Okay, so you see guys, when my text it is disappeared, there is some black screen which I'll save because I did not also cut, you see. So is that reason why I'm going to also cut my second clip, because it will continue flying through on my second clip. All right, so, and I have to cut it by here. Yes, you have to click on split screen. Okay, Control Shift plus D. Okay, it's a shortcut for cutting. And then let me choose for this number, and then you have to choose this no mate as always. Okay, for this v2. So, and then guys, when you play, you see my camera, it is continue flying through on second clip. You see, this is the first one, and then my camera is entering on the second clip directly. Guys, this is nice, this is perfect. Okay, so this is for the second clip. So, and then I'm going to add the third one clip. It is also, so it is the same as the first way. Okay, so if you have the good move for your camera shoot, you can use any gimbal. And then click on this second clip created, and I'm going to add the 3D camera tracker, same as the first one. Okay, you see the camera tracker is analyzing my background, and I have to wait just a few little bit. Yes, solving my camera, I receive the more points of the tracking point. Okay, you see, even here there is other one. Okay, so let me choose this one. Okay, right click, create and text and camera. You see how my text is, and I'm going to also using that X, Y and Z rotation for picking up my text. Okay, yeah, you have to click here on this text, and then this is my rotation settings, and they have to do what? Pick up my text. They have to rotate in this way, rotating this way. This text, it is too big, so let me try to move it down, or to move it behind, just like this. Okay, move it behind. Okay, when the camera is coming, you see now it is not passing through on my text. Okay, let me choose this X where my camera will be flying through on it. You see guys, this is much better guys. Okay, this camera will pass through on my text. Okay, this first one was passing through on my E. Yes, okay, A B C D E. So for this second one, will pass through on what? On X. Yes, You see, it will come slow by slow first and then pass through here. So, and then let's come back here on this project, and I'm going to add the third clip. For the third clip is where when my camera passing through on this text, you will see the image of this layer 3. Okay, yeah, this one. Yeah, let me move this blue line here. Yes. So, and I have to move down this VD3 down on the text, okay, behind of the text layer. Yes, and let me try to move it around. You see, yes, yeah, this is how my text will be started. And then this is also my third clip. So, and let me try to move this blue line here where my third clip is beginning. You have to Control Shift plus D by split layer, and you have to click on this clip, and I have to link with this text 2 by using this TrackMate, not Parent Link. Use this TrackMate to link this video 3 with text 2. Okay, you see the video 3 is also inside, or is also go on my text 3. Guys, you see here when my text 2 it is done, you see something, it will be disappeared. My video 3 will be disappeared. That reason why, and I have to cut here this video, yes, to split screen, and then you have to click this last part and you have to choose none. This nice. So now let me play the whole video and let's see how it is. You see my text, my second text, it is attaching on my first clip. Okay, so and I'm going to delete. Yes, I have to delete it by here because I don't want the second text on my first clip. Okay, yes, yeah, this is my first text is coming back, so I have to cut this layer of this first text. Okay, I have to cut it by here, and then you have to delete this shit. And then when you play, you see how my clip it is. This is the first clip with the first text, second clip on inside, the camera will passing through on it, and then we continue already. This is the second text. On the second text there is third clip, and camera will passing through on the third clip. Guys, this is how you can create this effect inside Adobe After Effects. You see guys, you have to have your own clip and then just your type and text, something like that. There is no other plugin that's required for this effect. Guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop the comment down below. I want to know what you think about it. See you in next video guys. Peace.